Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Be faithful to that which exists nowhere but in yourself. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials close up 74, Nasdaq up 35, S&P's up 10, gold contract up $31.60, trading at $1,262 an ounce. Silver up 38 cents at $15.64 an ounce. Platinum up 18 bucks at $9.76 an ounce. Copper up 2.5 pennies at $2.25 a pound. Light sweet crude up $2.14, $38.48 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year note up 26, 129.01. 30-year bond up 11 ticks, 162.01. King dollar crushed, down 1,000 ticks, 95.69. Euro up 117 at 112, and the yen is trading at 112.55. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We're in this ABC structure on the way up. S&P, the SPY did 121 million shares out here today. We're up about $1.17. Janet Yellen, the Fed, no rate rise. They gave new guidance saying they don't expect the rates to rise like they had the last quarter. Bottom line, what happens? Markets go higher. Commodity markets are going dramatically higher, folks. Bottom line on this S&P, we're 203.34. This baby wants to run up to this it's 209. That's where this baby wants to get into. The NDX 100, the 3 Qs. What do you have in the 3 Qs? Same setup in the 3 Qs. Bottom line, free money. 3 Qs do 28 million shares. Up 95 cents. The 3 Qs are trading at 107.58. It's on its way up to 111.84. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, more than likely we're going to see gold jump the creek tomorrow. I believe we have an all-time, let's see, it's not an all-time closing high, but right now, let's see, that was closing high. No, we're not at a closing high yet, meaning just this year. So what did gold do? Gold, folks, had 192,000 contracts, up 32 bucks. You're going to see gold do an ABC structure on the way up, more than likely. 1392, that's where we're coming to. And that's not that far from where we are right now, by the way. We're 1262. Gold can do that in 2 days. Silver also caught a bid on this move. We take a look at the silver market. What's going to be intriguing is that silver actually looks like, and silver can get more volatile than gold. Silver is going to give us a really nice clue, though, about these metals in particular. This is why. Silver did 45,000 contracts today. Silver hasn't been able to catch a bid to get up and over its October 2015 high. I suspect it's going to take out the swing point from the 11th of February tomorrow. Now, as it takes that out, that would not only basically launch it over the $16.24, that'll launch it into $17, like, pretty quickly, which would just be a total mind blower. Bonds. What do we got with bonds? Let's go to the 10-year first. What you have with the 10-year is this. 10-year, when the rate come out, 10-year spikes from 128.01 to 129.01. That's a big move, by the way, okay? 1.2 million contracts. Now, it's going to need more than that because it's an ABC structure on the way down. It broke down with 1.6 million contracts. So we'll see how it tries to attack the 129.12, which is 11 ticks higher. I do expect it's going to probably try to get up into that tomorrow morning. We'll see whether it can take that out. And more than likely, as I say, that's a complex ABC down. And what happens with that complex ABC is this. You break a B point, you break it with volume, you come back up into the range, you have light volume, you go right back downtown. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? You want to check this out, folks? King dollar just got crushed. And King dollar likes getting crushed. That's the bottom line. King dollar is down 958 ticks, 30,000 contracts. We're at 95.71. Bottom line, King Dollar looks to me like it wants to run down to this 93 area. So that's quite a move. If you want to see some of the larger structures, meaning inside the gold market, what you have is this. Franco-Nevada, no doubt, was the canary in the coal mine. If you get the gold report, you know that. Bottom line, what Franco-Nevada had done, folks, is this. It's up $5.30 today. It's up 9%. It's at $66.15. So this equity had already, and it was this week, it was last month, it did 36 million shares. It was coming into its high of 6 million. It blew away the $61. This is a monster ABC up. And the key, which is really cool, is that it was in a consolidation since May of 2012. Takes it out with volume. Barrick Gold. I can go on and on with these ABC structures on the way up, by the way. Barrick Gold today goes up 99 cents, does 30 million shares, takes all its highs out. You go Great Panther. What Great Panther did, Great Panther up 87 cents. That doesn't sound like a lot, but guess what? It was only an 80-cent stock. Gets over its highs. Going to need more volume, but it already has it on the weekly. It had already taken out a B point of an ABC structure on the way up. This A point on Great Panther was 41 cents. The B was 80 cents, so you get 39 cents. Your C was 64, which gets you $1.04. And right now we're at 91. The ABC structures inside the gold, inside the silver market, folks, are basically are all over the place. We go take a look at the euro, and what you're going to see, the correlation, as soon as Yellen came out here, the correlation is pretty intense inside the currency markets. The euro, bottom line, got stronger, $1.12 to the U.S. dollar. That was up 116 ticks. We go up to Canada. We look at the Canadian dollar. What you're going to see, the Canadian dollar went lower, which means it got stronger. Canadian dollar was down 223 ticks at 131. The weakest it was in January. It was 146, which is like about 62 cents Canadian to one U.S. dollar, which of course kills the folks up there. And Australia. These are all commodity countries. Australia, folks, is at 75 cents. And to wrap it up, folks, oil. Oil went higher, wants higher price. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back.